everyone. I just wanted to come on here and give a quick thanks to everyone who showed up to my birthday party. Yes, it's my birthday, and your girl is 56. Woo. As grandson would say, that's a lot of numbers, Yaya. Actually, no, I'm not 56, I'm 25. Forever. But I want to say thank you so much to everyone who showed up to my bowling party. I did it early this time because last time I tried to give a little dinner on my birthday and COVID hit. So I'm so thankful for being here, making it this far. I thank the Most High, give him all the honor, all the praise. Woo, because there's some people that didn't make it. I'm not going to get sentimental. But I just want to say thank you for helping me celebrate my 56th birthday. Be blessed. Let's see if he can bump. Everybody. Michael, do you need the bumpers this week? The bumpers? Okay. Next row. Okay. He trying to explain why he gonna get a gutter, y'all. Oh, you liar.